Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Monday, January the 4th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, well, let's check and see what we left on the market here today. So SPX down a whopping 55 points. The market was down like almost, at least the S&P futures were down almost 90 points at one point for a nice dip buy there today. Let's see what it did. It filled the gap right here, weekly chart. So, with a nice lower shadow so far. So let's see if they try to rally off of that. In terms of the wave count, you're going to have to restart this one right here. So one thing we could do is look at this as just a wave one up. Right, so this was kind of your 1-2, and this is kind of like a 1-2, right? So we could look at this as a 1-2-1-2 if we want to stay bullish on this thing. So we'll see how that goes there today. Let's take a look at the SPY. Again, a lot of traders back from vacation today, and we had some downside move. Usually implies increased volume. So let's see how that holds there today. Again, it's all about today's low. If we break down below these lows with the increased volume, we might see some more downside, right? So let's take a look at the S&P futures. All right, so S&P futures with an engulfing candle here so far. Again, that's on the daily chart. But again, today, guys, just epic. It just sliced through every level we had today. It was just the little mini bounces and all that stuff. This was just impulsive downside action today, and then found some support down here once it got past a couple of our single print endpoints that we like to look at. So good stuff there. So basically, what we're going to look at is just to see if the MES can get over any of these levels, right? So let's just let it go here tonight. Let's see if it can hold this fresh little uptrend line right here and see how it goes here today. We got a couple geometric levels here. Right, so we'll see how that holds going into tonight, and then we got that guy. And see how that goes. We'll review it on the live stream later. So good stuff with MES and does. So what else? Let's take a look at the Qs. Again, tech was a little bit of a dip buy there today, so for a little bit of a bounce, it was okay. The IWM, again, a little bit of a dip buy as well. The XLF, guys, this was what helped us stay short on the market through that whole move. Just a really swift down move today on the XLF. Kind of squeezed up this morning. Gave an opportunity for a little bit of a gap up, and then just a big reversal there, weighing heavy on the market today. So good stuff there. We got short names like Apple today, pointed out short ideas, right? So we got a nice little bear flag right here, inside 515 breakdown there on Apple today for a nice downside move. Tesla. So Tesla even gave us a short opportunity today as well. Nice little inside 15 down right here too, and then also dip by for the 15 or below area. So nice move there. And of course we got baby Tesla, NIO. So NIO kind of hung in there today. Let's take a look at a couple of the daily charts right here. It's starting to, kind of show some strength. A little bit of a kind of a double pause candle right here. Again, we'll keep an eye on it. Again, it's shown some relative strength throughout the day. They've got their NIO day coming up pretty soon, so we've got that going on. Costco is one that we pointed out too the other day. Again, showing some general strength here off of the other day, and some increased volume there. Another one to kind of keep an eye on, of course, is AMD. Ended up with a doji candle right here. So that was tough, right? They got some big moves right here, but it reversed off the closing gap. We often see that, right? And then the other one that we saw too is NVIDIA today with some good strength at the open, but a huge reversal back down. It's poked its head out and said, nope, no thanks. Right, so and look what it did. It got all the way to the top of the geometric level right there before finding resistance. So it's still just kind of chopping around in that triangle. We're still waiting for a breakout on NIO, and it just hasn't. How we were hoping it was going to happen today, and it just didn't happen there. Let's take a look at Microsoft. So Microsoft, we had a couple short opportunities on this one today. Gave a nice down move, and they ultimately bounced off the 50-day moving average. Bank of America, this gave us a good short opportunity today as well. That pushed down to 80 MA, so that was a good move right there. A couple ones with relative strength on the radar. Walmart, decent candle today, right at the 50-day moving average. So let's see how that holds here going into tomorrow. Let's take a look at Workhorse. That had a pretty decent candle today as well. Good volume on it. Nice hammer over the 50 and the 8 days. So let's see how those go as well on Workhorse. A couple ones that were a little bit blah here today. Laser. A, B could be a 1-2. Maybe working on a more impulsive move down on Laser. So keep that on the short radar there. And Roku. Roku with an engulfing candle today, right? So that sliced through a lot of key levels right here and kind of closed below, like right at these levels. So more downside action on that with increased volume. Could see Roku really kind of pulling back. So that's kind of interesting there as well. And that's all. That's all for today, guys. Good stuff. We'll see you guys at on the live stream tonight. Looking forward to it. Till then, stay healthy out there, and remember, risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game. And thanks everybody for tuning in.